today we are at Thorpe Park. This is my first ever time here, and Shane was behind the camera. He's been a couple of times, but we're looking forward to seeing Thorpe Park this year.
How are you feeling about riding your first one?
Quite nervous, but we'll see how the day plays out.
What's the ride you're looking forward to riding most?
Probably the Swarm.
Okay.
Now we are just in the queue for Stealth. First ride here at Thorpe Park. It's going to be an interesting one. I've never done a big coaster before, so just have to see how it goes. I've never been speechless about a roller coaster before, but I think I just am. It's incredible.
So your first 1.4 metre coaster, marks out of 10?
10! So we're now queuing up for the Swarm. Really looking forward to this. This is one of the main reasons I came to the park. And there it is up there, part of the Swarm's track. Can't wait to get on it. Just been on the Swarm. Again, an incredible coaster. I think that has to top it. That has to be my number one. And I especially enjoy the incline loop, which is just above me now. And oh, it's just incredible. So now we're about to go on Detonator. Right, they've just been on Detonator. Oh, great drop tower, much better than Thorpe Park. So here is Rush, the park. It's a massive swing basically. Pretty awesome. So here is something ride. It's like an Enterprise style ride, sort of. It's an Enterprise style ride. You find these across the UK. There's one at Alton Towers and some fairgrounds have them. Sorry, I can't remember the name. Is Rumba Rapids, the park's Rapids ride. There is also Storms though, that's more like a dinghy ride, but you sit in a dinghy with people. But looks like quite a choppy rapids. So we'll get on. Just been on the Rumba Rapids and all the coasters are either closed, so Colossus and Nemesis Inferno, and saw the rides on a 120-minute queue. Storm Surge and Shane and Josh have just done Tidal Wave.
To the station and go to that road they are shooting.
And now we're going to be doing Nemesis Inferno. Due to these high winds that seem to have passed Thorpe Park all day, and in fact they've actually given us a free return day so we can come back another day for free. And now we're going to do our final coaster of the day, the Flying Fish.
If you're ready, the fish is ready, and here we go!
have had an absolutely incredible day here at Thorpe Park. It is incredible. We have definitely faced our fear, made some memories and pushed our limits. Can't wait to get back here, but can't wait to get to our next theme park, wherever that may be.
Is it Chesington?
Yeah, I think it was.
There we go then.
Make sure you hit that like button. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you know when the latest family day trip videos are out. If you're feeling especially generous, want to make a suggestion or just say hi, post it down in the comment section. Till next time, see you!